Welcome to another episode of Steemy. Today I'm going to talk about SteemLine by the developer MKT. SteemLine is a platform that allows you to create several lines like these and feed them with the information that you are interested in, whether it's about a category or a user. So let's get started and log in first, because this is just the default view showing us the new topics in the Steemit category as well as the trending topics in the Steem Dev category. And we want to personalize this. So when clicking on login, Steem Connect is opening, which is the secure way to handle your private keys without handing them over to third-party applications. So you don't have to worry about SteemLine taking your keys. This will not be possible. So we connect it with Steem Connect instead and allow to use it. I'm using here my LastPass browser plugin to pull my key directly in and create the connection to SteemLine and my account. Then the next thing is I want to delete these two lines here because they are not interesting to me. And then next I click on add line here on the top. And when we do that, there is this pop-up coming that allows us to create a new line with different content. So first of all, let's create a category tag here. We could, for example, say the Utopian IO category, all new post. And what it does now is it pulls all the latest posts from that category and puts them here in that line. You can also scroll the line by using drag and drop, touch, basically it's touch optimized, but you can also click and then it's being locked. So I'm not holding the mouse anymore, it's just kind of stuck to it. It's a little bit weird to actually do that with your mouse, but it works. And then you can click on one of these thumbnails and a post will open up and you can read the post directly here. You can read the comments, you can reply, you can upvote, and basically do everything you need to do here to get the information. Let's create another line here. Oh, by the way, before I forget, if there's a new post coming in, this will be automatically updated. And there's a little notification number here that tells us how many new posts have already been added to the category. Next is you have the hot category. It's basically the same thing that we already saw. Let's also use Utopian here. And now we see all the hot posts in Utopian, and then same thing for trending. Let's also use Utopian here, and another line is being created with all the currently trending posts from that category. Finally, we have blog and feed. So if we type in blog, for example, Flowey, then we will now see all the posts from Flowey, myself, and yeah, have a nice overview of that particular user. And finally, the last option that we have is the feed. And here, when we do that, and we also do, for example, my profile Flowey, then we will now see all the posts from the people that I follow. And this is very interesting because now you can pull in your own feed, but also other people's feed if you are interested in that. So these are all very fantastic features. In fact, I have created my own project called My Steem, and my idea was basically the same thing. And then I learned that MKT has created SteemLine instead, so there's probably not much need anymore for My Steem. However, MKT does need help to continue developing this tool because it's not quite ready yet and still lacks a couple of features and maybe a little bit of styling and so on. So if you are a developer, check out the open source project, check out the GitHub, check out the task request by MKT on Utopian.io, where he has specifically asked for new developers to continue the project for him because he doesn't have any time to do it himself. So yeah, I also are in favor of this. This is a fantastic tool. I love it. I would like to see a few more features. I didn't mention you can also write your post here, although I probably wouldn't do that because it's very basic and I prefer doing that on busy.org or Steemit. But also what I would like to see is that when you create a new line, that you can have multiple content in one line. So for example, I would like to have a line not with one user, but maybe with 5 users, my 5 best friends, and I want to see their posts in that line and not just one line with one user where I'm seeing all these posts here. Instead, I would prefer having several users here. So that would be awesome because then you can create nice lines for friends or for topic people, like someone who's writing about cryptocurrency a lot and analyzing prices and so on. You can add all these features together into one line. That would be awesome. All right, that's basically it about SteemLine. I hope you you like the tool, and if you have any ideas how to help with that, then just contact MKT or just do it yourself. It's open source. You can fork the project and build on top of it. Here, just one last thing. You see there's the little there's a little information that 3 new votes have been coming in to my post, my personal post, because I'm logged in here. So that's also a nice little extra information. All right, that's it. And I talk to you very soon.